Hey guys, I'm back and I just want to help you a little bit with your assignment that you have today. So first of all, you guys will see if you're on your Google Classroom that I put a new assignment, but it's only assigned to the students who didn't do it last week because you guys have tons of time and I'm never going to take off points if you don't have time to get to an assignment that day. I just want you guys to work through it and you're always able to go back and make corrections to improve your grades. You just have to reach out and we'll make sure that it's there for you. Okay, so if you are on Google Classroom and you've done all your other assignments, then you're going to see where it says that I posted this new assignment and you'll go to that. And we'll go to instructions and you'll be able to sign into Actively Learn. You'll see my poem that I annotated for you and a video to help you with the poem. But let's say we sign into Actively Learn. I'm going to pretend that I'm a student. So I'm in student mode. And I see I have this assignment that says 4 unanswered. So I'm going to go in here, and I already went through and answered some of these questions and gave myself feedback so that you guys see how it'll look. So you'll see, even if you already did your work, you should still be looking at this. I answered this question, and I graded myself proficient, which is not the highest, but it is an okay answer. And after you've answered, you can see other classmates' responses in order to get a better idea of what you need to do. But if I keep on going, I'm going to see that I answered this question, but there's no grade for it. You could also go up here to notifications, and it says that I commented on all these questions, and I said that you're able to revise specific ones. So if I said you're able to revise a question, that means I'm not going to give a grade for it yet because I want you to go back and make some corrections. So this one, I said hope is compared to a thing because in my title, hope is a metaphor and it's compared to something with feathers. It is compared to something with feathers. And I'm actually going to highlight that and take a note. That means this is a metaphor. And my teacher wants me to be more specific about what it is compared to and what I see hope doing. So I see that hope has feathers. I see that hope sings and has feathers. That tells me hope is compared to an animal, and I'm going to just tell you guys it's a bird. So I'm going to correct my answer and I'm going to say bird, and I'm going to submit that. So for each of my answers that gives me an opportunity to correct, I'm going to go ahead and take that opportunity again to make my correction. So it'll tell you which ones you did well and which ones have feedback. So please, please go in and make any corrections to questions that said have a comment from me on them and say that you can now revise them. All right, so I'm going to just go out of here and see you guys later. Bye.